Moi and welcome to my Finnish lesson. Today we are going to learn how to form the negative sentences in verb type 1. Let's get started. Let's start with the verb puhua, which means to speak. As we learned in lesson 16, puhua is a verb type 1 verb because the infinitive ends in two vowels. To make negative sentences, we first need to form the stem. For puhua, the stem is puhu. We simply remove the final letter A. Here, let's quickly review the negative sentences in the onna verb. We learned the topic in lesson 10, so please go back to that video first if needed. As you can see, first comes a pronoun, and then comes a negative word, which changes according to the personal pronoun. Lastly comes ode, which is the same in all pronouns. Actually, ode is a stem word of onna that remains the same in negative sentences. Now, let's go back to the verb puhua. The stem is puhu. So when you say I don't speak, first mention the pronoun minä and then a negative word, in this case en. And then add the stem puhu. So I don't speak is minä en puhu. You don't speak. Sinä et puhu. He or she doesn't speak. Hän ei puhu. We don't speak. Me emme puhu. You don't speak, the plural form. Te ette puhu. They don't speak. He eivät puhu. Next, let's practice conjugating some verbs together. You can think for a moment before we check the answers together. The first verb is asua, which means to live. This is verb type 1 because the endings are two vowels, letter U and letter A. First, form the stem by removing the final letter A, which is asu. Then, add the negative word and the stem. I don't live. Minä en asu. You don't live. Sinä et asu. He or she doesn't live. Hän ei asu. We don't live. Me emme asu. You don't live, the plural form. Te ette asu. They don't live. He eivät asu. Now, let's check another verb, katsoa, which means to watch. This is also verb type 1 because the endings are two vowels, letter O and letter A. The stem is katso, and then add the negative word and the stem. I don't watch. Minä en katso. You don't watch. Sinä et katso. He or she doesn't watch. Hän ei katso. We don't watch. Me emme katso. You don't watch. the plural form. Te ette katso. They don't watch. He eivät katso. Hyvä. Next time we will learn some question words. Nähdään!